Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bangor, local and long-distance movers near me. Do you want a reliable moving service company for your long-distance move? Want to hire someone who can do an amazing job with your belongings? We understand that people fear trusting strangers to give them in charge of their household moves and properties or office logistics. However, our professional movers have all the qualities that will make you believe in our credibility. Our customers have trusted us for the care and protection we provide to their belongings. A long-distance move is easier with the availability of a fleet of trucks and licensed and properly trained. Moreover, if there are missing and broken things, you don't need to worry as it's in our policy to cover the damaged goods. Are you planning a local move to Bangor, Maine? Then there's no difference between a small or big move. In each case, you need someone to trust with your goods. Skilled professionals are needed even with the successful completion of the local moves. Our local movers have the right vehicles to transport your belongings, and undoubtedly there are limitless benefits to hiring a professional moving service like us. But the finest benefit of hiring our full-service local movers is the competitive prices and the smooth and safe transfer that will give your items in our care. We don't charge a fixed moving price for each moving service, but we customize the moving services plans depending on the needs of the customer and the budget our customers have decided for the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bangor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.